this conclusion biologists Annelidos, including 18 species, including mesostomid, nereids, leeches and the ground worms. According to the scientists, this fauna they are chosen in the surface due to the nature of its respiratory system. The oxygen enters the body across its skin. In order to absorb the air, the body of the worms must be humid, by what most of them are covered of slime, and that the snot does not evaporate. The worms live in the humid soil, but if the water is too much, they are asphyxiated, without having to absorb oxygen. It must be borne in mind that the different types of worms complete oxygen at different speeds and in different moments. In 2008, the zoologists have studied two types of worms, one of which is selected in the rain in the surface, and other, not. They thought that the first one for the life needs much more oxygen, although the night, in the second level of the consumption of oxygen it is much lower, so that less humid soils could live in some. Therefore, the enigmiento can be a serious problem for the ground earthworms, since due to the excessive moisture, which can be asphyxiated, but in the dry soil they will not survive. Also, the yield of the surface, always a risk adventure for the worm, because the birds that feed on earthworms of ground, not sleep,